the tower. Cover us while we breach. Copy that. One shot. Clean.
How to create something like this using free tools, no fees, no installs, no tech skills. Stay with me. In just a few simple steps, I'll show you how I created this entire cinematic war video using only 2 free AI tools, and the final result will blow your mind. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next AI trick. Let's take it step by step.
Step 1. Story and scripting. I start with the foundation, the story. I head over to ChatGPT and type, "Hi, I want to create a cinematic war video with soldiers versus terrorists, a sniper mission, intense atmosphere, and a heroic ending." In seconds, ChatGPT generates a full story. I review it carefully, then ask for a scene-by-scene script, and it delivers immediately. Next, I ask for character descriptions, plus image prompts and animation prompts for each scene. ChatGPT gives me everything I need: detailed, organized, and stress-free. This becomes my blueprint. Step 2. Image generation. I bring the script to life using Whisk AI. I sign in with Google. Click Enter tool, then copy the image prompts from ChatGPT and paste them into the prompt box. Within seconds, Whisk AI generates ultra-realistic cinematic images. Soldiers preparing in the ruins, terrorists at a checkpoint, and Ghost the sniper lining up his shot. These images become my visual blueprint for animation. Step 3. Image video. Now it's time to bring your still images to life. But before we dive in, make sure you like this video and subscribe so you don't miss the next AI trick. Head over to GROK AI, click on Imagine, and upload each of your images from Whisk AI. Then simply copy and paste the animation prompts you got from ChatGPT. Instantly, GROK adds movement automatically. Camera motion, battlefield tension, muzzle flashes, dust, and dramatic transitions. In just a few seconds, those still images transform into fully animated war scenes that look like real movie shots. And the best part, you don't need any editing skills at all. Step 4. Final editing. After animation, I move everything into CapCut. I import all my animated clips, drag them to the timeline, and arrange them in order. Then I add light effects, lens flares, and smooth transitions between shots. Next, I go to audio. I search for gunshot and battlefield sound effects, add explosions and impact sounds, and add epic background music. I reduce the music to 12% so it doesn't overpower the voiceover. Once everything looks perfect, I export the final video in 1080p, and here we have it.
First light, Ghost, you take the tower. Cover us while we breach. Copy that. One shot. Clean.
And that's how I create a full cinematic war video using nothing but AI tools, story, images, animation, and final editing. If this helped you, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more AI filmmaking tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.